GoPro Mission 1 Pro 4K 30 Superview.
Alright guys, so here we are with the new GoPro Mission 1 Pro. I believe this is 4K 30 Superview. Sorry, the camera's a little further down than normally I try to make it, but it's not unmanageable. But yeah, this was a really good day to kind of test out this camera because it was the dirt was good conditions, but for a camera in the woods, it was not great conditions. The canopy is very thick right now here in early June, and so a lot of places it was dark, and the places where the light does kind of peek in, it's so harsh. You can kind of see a lot of action cams have trouble dealing with going in and out of those beams of harsh light. So this kind of gives you an idea. I rendered this at the highest bit rate that I could, and I think it looks good. I pick up a lot of little details and stuff with this 1-inch sensor that I believe I don't see on the old GoPro or on my Ace Pro 2. But as far as dealing with the darkness, I still think the Ace Pro 2, with its AI and software and stuff, I think managed it just a little bit better. So yeah, just enjoy. Let me know what you think.